Alright guys, this is it. The try kainin konjac rice. Kaya ini 2 grams of fiber, 25 calories, tsaka 3 grams of carbs. No sugar. Yung asawa ko, papaya ko, we tried keto. So we haven't been eating rice for almost 3 years now. And it feels okay. At ako, malibatan niya siguro, I don't know, for some reason, may hilig ko keng kahi. Keng maparas. Bagya mo, bagya. Bagyang maparas. So, eko pwedeng alang, eko mga na, alang, mga tini. At shout out kay kang Lolo Mulong, crispy. In chili oil, manyaman yan, Diyos ko, Joko. Itry eh. Guys, itong mga tao kay Manila Mart, ne. Shout out, Tony. Ay, siguro kahit 5, 6, adyang ating ko pa kembale. Kumako pa muring Lolo Mulong. Kasi, minsan alang stock. So, might as well just grab some, right? Ngani, tikman na kung okay mo, ne? Tapos, yung ulam ko, leftovers na salmon. Joy, not bad. Lasiya naman kain, nasi. So, pwede ka na pala mga makatini, not feeling bad na maman ka sugar. At least, ining 1/4 yan naman ini. At 6 carbs. So, usually rin mag low carbs, mga 20 grams of carbs, usually per day. So, this is 6 grams, 1/4 cup. Diyo, manyaman niya. I-try yan eh. Manyaman niya. Lasya talagang nasi. Try it. Bye!